When you export your project in Adobe Premiere Pro, sometimes you get the blurry output. So to prevent that, what you need to do is that you need to change the export settings. So for that, go to the file and then go to export and then go to media, or you can also use the shortcut key Control M. So once this export settings dialog is open, what you have to do is you have to go to the format and select H.264 and then click on export video, export audio if you want to also include the audio as well. Sometimes this checkbox is not ticked and in the exported video audio is missing, so make sure that both the ticks are marked. You have to also make sure that in the performance you have to select the software encoding so that faster processing happens, and then you can click on export. So what happens is that MP4 file will be created and file size will be small as well as it will be crispy and quality will also be high. That's it. Thanks for watching.